angels, demons, humans. Are they really the three disasters of the universe? These days, I decided to write a seasonal post. It is certain, however, that the very title I chose is unfair to two of the three beings mentioned. And as you might have guessed already, the ones that I didn't do justice are the angels and the demons. The thoughts that follow are not due to an intuitive vision, and, at least until today, I have seen neither an angel nor a demon. Although I would say, relatively confident, that most of the people walking around are not an exact copy exemplary of the human being. The ancient Greeks generally used the term daemon, both for angels and for demons as well. I leave to your discretion to find out in which century the meaning was lost and the word got a new interpretation. But let's start from the angels. Tall, handsome, categorized on their qualifications, and mainly winged. Any particular reason? Michael, for example, is holding a sword and is like a medieval warrior. Why is that? Since if anyone saw him suddenly in front of him, it wouldn't be the sword or the wings that would scare him, but the vast figure itself materialized out of nowhere. That alone would be enough to make you faint and believe what you saw was a product of imagination. Now, if the archangel spoke to you, you would run for clean underwear. The same thing would happen, of course, if anyone saw in front of him either a demon or an alien. Not that I would ever compare angels and demons to aliens. So, what is an angel? If momentarily we forget the religious creeds and stick only to the point, we would say that an angel is a power of creation, a magnetic vibration that looks toward God, whatever the word looks means. More simply, it is the force that represents the world order, and hence the idea of life. Does he listen when we call him? I do not know. I have dear friends who claim that he does, but they never explain to me why. Personally, I think that man wants to have some kind of help, even when he is not worthy and has fabricated the angel's idea. It is hilarious when people say, I begged for my angel to find me a parking place, and behold, I found one. When will an angel intervene in our lives? If the angel is really a force of order in creation, then the moment we put our lives in that order, it is very likely to attract induced homologous angelic power, something that will strengthen our present position. Just that, although there is a chance that the forces of order work beside us all the time, within us and anywhere else your mind can think of. But such an angel is not an evil part of the universe, mainly because he is his constituent element. Evil is a man's conception of him, and the accumulated energy that man creates on a false entity that ultimately shapes a magnetically distorted footprint in the emotional world of humanity. What is the result of that? This negative magnetism sucks energy from mankind and creates more problems than the benefits the friends to angels believe they solve. The concept of demons is more or less the same. The demons look in the other direction. The inferior forces of the anarchy of the universe became for humans the cause of their misery. That's how much we have distorted this transformative cosmic factor. Again, man-made magnetic accumulations in the emotional world of mankind. And still, it is a waste of energy. And the worst of it all is that we have them fight each other. I hope no one believes that this fight for prevalence takes place in a fiery planet somewhere in a distant galaxy. If they are fighting, then they must be fighting for humans. So these days, let's leave them in peace and search inside ourselves for the harmony of order and the regeneration that transformation offers. Human is the tool that handles order and harmony, since he's the mind of the creation. Order, anarchy, mind. The dangerous part is the third, trust me.